If you want to download new apps on POCO F7, all you have to do is find the Play Store, which you can find by default in the home screen over here, or you can also go to the app drawer and try to find it over here. So once we open the Play Store, you should be able to find the apps category at the bottom. And over here you can find some example apps that of course you can download. Most of them are free. And if you find something, you can select it in order to find the install button. At the top, we have also different categories, including the categories itself, where you can try to find something more specific. And if you know the name of the app that you wish to download, then of course you can use search at the bottom, then tap on search field at the top, and then you can write the name of the app that you are looking for. If you manage to find it, you should be able to press the install button on the right side, or you can tap on the app itself in order to find the install option. And that's it. Once the app is installed, you can find it, for example, in the app drawer. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.